to file a claim? Holla at State Farm.
Welcome back. Today we're monkeying around with ANSi 61-9 UPC faucet. And, well, it's a pain in the ass. First of all, you're gonna need a 2.5 Allen wrench, which luckily in my toolkit for my car, you're gonna have to pull that little plug off. That's off the back of that. So you go ahead, unscrew it, pull that out, set off to the side. Don't lose it, any of this, because you're gonna not like life. Then this thing is kind of sticking up, but it really wasn't sticking up. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver, and you just do that. Go around it a little bit. Be careful because the plastic things, and that's all it holds that together. Now you see the nut and the cartridge. You can't pull the cartridge out until you take the nut off. You're gonna need a small pair of channel locks. I've already done this. It took me a while to figure out how to do it. And then you just unscrew it. You took the channel locks and you pull it out. I made this video because I couldn't find any other damn videos for these cheap ass faucets. It's for damn travel trailers, so there's that. And this is what's in mine. I don't know if it's correct. I assume it is. It is what it is. Thanks for stopping by.